All right, guys, I am going to keep this video short and simple because I just don't want to feel this pain anymore. Canvas, my family, is dead. Yes, I know. We did 30 days ago. We started a challenge. Can I make $1,000 in 30 days starting a new business online? And I made a total of $0. I actually lost about $500. I have a maxed out credit card. Because of this challenge, I did nothing successfully. I think I only made one sale, two sales. I don't know. It's just, I thought it was fun. I had a good time doing this. I learned a lot through these things, and I learned that it's not just quick money isn't good money. And I need to know, so there's so much into starting a business, the website and your customers and getting your product right. And it's just so much to cram in 30 days and make a profit that I really didn't do Canvas My Family justice. I learned that like slow and steady wins the race. Like just start today, make progress, make goals, have some stuff written down and like make steps towards it, and not, if you don't make money in 30 days, then it's over and you quit and you just give up. Like, no, Rome wasn't built in a day. Like it took time and progress, but over time, like, and continually adding and building, it became what it was, you know? And so I'm going to continue Canvas My Family. I'm going to continue doing it. I actually like it, and I think it might be something fun. It doesn't require a lot of work for me besides marketing, which I already have a lot of experience in and enjoy doing. So I think I might just go organic for a while and grow a small following and, you know, just be able to continue to do just small and steady steps. But I don't know if making $1,000 in a month was unrealistic, or I just didn't do a really good job, or it wasn't a great product. I don't know. But every time someone sees it, you know, every time someone sees it, they say they love it. It's great. It's such a cool idea, but nobody's buying it. So I don't know if it's just too expensive, but also something I learned is don't ever cheap out when it comes to your product. I spent so much money trying to get a cheap designer so I could sell it super cheap, but it just wasn't quality. I didn't want to give that to somebody. When I got it for myself, I was like, why would I want someone to pay for that? So just, if you're thinking about starting a business, don't cheap out. I wish I would have took more time learning what customers wanted, done more research if they were interested in the product that I was preparing to offer before I spent all this money. You know, I spent over $200 on ads and not one purchase. Like, I've ran ads before and got sales off Raid Area 51 t-shirts. I made more money off that. And I thought this was a really great idea. So it's unfortunate, but I wish I would have took more time seeing what people like, what designs they did and didn't like, and kind of done like a focus group type thing, even with just friends and family. If I would have done it over again, I would have spent a little bit more time on the design phase and just figuring out what people didn't want. But going forward, I'm going to just continue to tweak and make changes. And so that is it for canvasmyfamily.com. The website will still be available. So if you want to purchase a canvas, yes, a beautiful canvas of you and your family, your wife, your kids, your mini pig, whatever you want, Canvas My Family will be there to do it for you. I'll actually, I'm going to make a coupon code called YouTube. If you use coupon code YouTube, you can have 10% off and help me pay back the $500 of debt that I'm in for this challenge. So that is it for this video, guys. I'm going to continue to start making more hire car content going forward. If you guys like the car rental business, I'm ramping up that business in my life and I'm scaling that. So I'm really focused on that. So my YouTube channel is going to be reflecting that a lot more lately. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have any ideas for videos of side hustles you want me to try, or any other things that you want to see from me. So I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one.